In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an alias record in Cloudflare. If you're trying to point your root domain or a subdomain to another service, Cloudflare handles this in a slightly different way than some other DNS providers. Instead of adding a traditional alias record directly, you'll typically use a CNAME record, and Cloudflare can flatten it when needed. This is especially useful for connecting your domain to hosting platforms or SaaS tools while still taking advantage of Cloudflare's performance and security features. To get started, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to manage. Once you're inside that domain settings, go to the DNS tab and then open the Records section. This is where all of your DNS entries are managed, including A records, CNAME records, MX records, and more. Next, click the Add Record button to create a new DNS entry. When the form opens, choose CNAME as the record type. This is the option you'll use in Cloudflare when you want alias-like behavior. For the name field, enter the host you want to point. If you want the record to apply to your root domain, use the @ symbol. If you want to point a subdomain instead, enter that subdomain name such as www or shop. Be careful to enter only the host portion, since Cloudflare will automatically apply it under your selected domain. In the target field, paste the destination URL or hostname provided by your hosting company or SaaS platform. Make sure you're copying exactly what they gave you, since even a small typo here can prevent the domain from resolving correctly. For proxy status, leave it set to proxied, which is the orange cloud. This allows Cloudflare to flatten the CNAME and also gives you added benefits like DDoS protection and CDN performance. However, there is one important exception. If you're adding this record for domain verification, the service you're connecting to may require proxying to be turned off. In that case, switch it to DNS only before saving. Once everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, give the DNS record a little time to propagate. In many cases, changes appear quickly, but depending on caching and the service you're connecting to, it may take a bit longer before everything works as expected. If something doesn't resolve right away, double-check the name, the target value, and whether the proxy setting matches the platform's requirements. And that's how to add an alias-style record in Cloudflare using a CNAME entry.